The potential of tourism in Hazara Division. Pakistan is blessed with a diverse landscape, ranging from lush green valleys to towering mountains, making it a treasure trove for tourism enthusiasts. One such gem is the Hazara Division, situated in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province of Pakistan. With its scenic beauty, cultural heritage, and untapped potential, the region offers a unique opportunity for the growth of the tourism industry. One strong contender for tourism promotion is Galliyat Valley, nestled in Abbottabad district of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. It is a picturesque region comprising of popular hill stations such as Nathia Gali, Murri, Ayubia, and Bourbon. Situated at an average height of around 2,200 meters above sea level, the valley offers a pleasant climate throughout the year. During the peak months, temperatures range from a mild 15 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius, attracting visitors seeking a cool retreat. In winters, the valley transforms into a winter wonderland, experiencing light to moderate snowfall, with temperatures dropping to around 0 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius. The valley's unique combination of altitude and weather conditions makes it an ideal spot for recreational activities including hiking, trekking, and picnicking, drawing a significant number of tourists annually. Another example of the beauty of Hazara is Naran Kaghan Valley. Located in the Mansehra district of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, it is a captivating destination that has become a favorite among tourists. The valley is known for its breathtaking landscapes, with lush green meadows and towering snow-capped peaks. Naran, the main town in the valley, sits at an altitude of approximately 2,500 meters above sea level, while Kaghan, situated further up the valley, reaches an elevation of around 2,400 meters. During the summer season, temperatures range from 15 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. It offers opportunities for trekking, hiking, fishing, and camping. With increasing tourist arrivals, the local economy has seen significant growth as businesses catering to tourism thrive in the area. However, it is essential to manage tourism sustainably to preserve the delicate environment and culture of the valley for future generations. Observing Hazara with respect to its history, we reach Siran Valley, which is named after the Siran River, which flows through its heart. With a history steeped in ancient civilizations and historical significance, Siran Valley has become an emerging destination for tourists seeking tranquility and glimpse into the past. The region's historical roots can be traced back to the Gandhara civilization, evident from archaeological sites and Buddhist stupas found in the area. These relics attract history enthusiasts and scholars intrigued by the valley's cultural heritage. The valley's peaceful ambiance and captivating scenery draw tourists looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life, providing a boost to the local tourism industry and supporting livelihoods for the residents. Lastly, Khanpur Dam, located near the town of Haripur, is a significant engineering feat with substantial implications for both water management and tourism. Its construction began in 1968 and was completed in 1983, primarily aimed at storing water for irrigation, domestic and industrial purposes. This dam also serves as an attraction. The cool and pleasant ambiance, especially during the hot summer months, makes it an ideal spot for picnics, boating, and water sports. The dam's proximity to major cities like Islamabad and Rawalpindi has further facilitated its accessibility for both locals and tourists. The tourism potential of Khanpur Dam continues to grow, providing economic opportunities for the local communities and promoting the natural beauty of the region to a broader audience. The government of Pakistan recognizes the vast potential of tourism in Hazara Division and has taken several measures to promote the region as a top-notch tourism destination. The government has invested in improving transportation networks, including roads and public transportation, to enhance accessibility to these tourist spots. Additionally, they have initiated various marketing campaigns both domestically and internationally to showcase the beauty and attractions of Hazara Division. Digital marketing, social media, and travel expos are utilized to reach a broader audience and attract more tourists. Waste management, afforestation projects, and wildlife preservation are a few more examples of the steps taken to develop tourism. With proper planning, investment, and sustainable practices, this region can become a flourishing tourism destination, contributing significantly to the local economy and promoting cultural exchange. The current government's efforts to promote tourism in the Hazara division demonstrate a commitment to harnessing the region's potential and turning it into a gem on the tourism map of Pakistan. Preserving its natural heritage and involving local communities, a bright and sustainable future for tourism in Hazara division awaits.